Hey you guys, it is Allie. Happy brand new year. It is January 9th. I have not uploaded a video or made a wreath for the new year yet, but I'm getting there. I have had the flu so bad and have been just hit so hard with it. And today I'm feeling a little bit better, and I have a box that has been here for days, and I'm finally getting the strength to open it. So let's take a look. So this is my box that got here when we were on vacation last week. We were in Cabo. Let's see, and I've uploaded all the videos of that trip on my other channel while I drink my coffee, but let's open this up. Obviously, I'm not doing a great job. I hope everyone had a great holiday. We did. It was amazing. Broke down my craft room because it is / craft room and guest room, and my son came home for Christmas after all, so it was great. Okay, so my craft room is still looking like a guest room, but I had my craft tables in there, but I loaned them to my mom for Christmas to use as a big seating table for our large family, and they're still over there, so we're just gonna buy new ones. Craft Outlet, one of my favorites, first receipts of the new year. Okay, what is happening here? Let's see. Oh, I'm so excited. I got this heart form. I'm going to make my first heart wreath. I cannot wait. This is going to be awesome. And let's see. Excuse me, guys, if I'm sniffling. Let's see. We got here some bubbles, which are so much fun to make stuff with. Just kidding. Okay. Oh, yay. Look at this, you guys. I'm so ready for spring and beautiful wreaths and Valentine's Day. And look at this beautiful gingham ribbon I got, and so many different colors of ribbon. I got some beautiful things. Oh, look at these beautiful florals. I'm gonna make something super special with this. Oh gosh, I love it. I got some Easter eggs. Oh, look at that. Just beautiful hydrangeas. Some Valentine's hearts. My dogs are going crazy. They think these are treats for them, but they're not. Oh, some Easter eggs. Look at that. Some spring picks. Oh my goodness. And I'm really excited about this mesh. Look how pretty it is. It is like a basket weave. It's a poly burlap. And I am loving this. It's with all spring colors. I mean, really, it can go with any spring, AKA Easter wreath, summer. It's just beautiful. I learned my lesson from last year. I buy everything in twos. When I buy mesh, I buy 2 of everything because last year I ran out a couple times mid-live and it wasn't good. So I've got such beautiful ribbons. Some stuff for Valentine's Day, doing some 4th of July stuff, some military. We have a military background in our family, my husband's family, and we're all about that. God bless the USA. Look at these. Something says Easter right there. Something says spring. Something says the beach. Oh my gosh, you guys, look. Just amazing. What's in here? Oh, adorbs. I got coordinating ribbon to go with all of my signs. I'll show you. I just love all this Easter ribbon and just a bunch of great things. Why is my camera making that weird shaky stuff? I don't know. Okay, so now I am back over here. I am so excited about my spring things. I am motivated to make things in my mind, but then physically my body's saying, Allie, you're still not feeling so good. It has taken me such a long time to try to get over this flu. I got it right before we went to Cabo and then traveled and went out of town, which I should have stayed home and rested, but that's another story. So it's taking me a little bit extra longer to get the rest that I need and to get better, but I am a lot better. At least now I have a voice. The voice was gone for a couple of days, and the coughing is a lot better, so I'm definitely on the mend. So my craft room is actually now a guest room. Oh, Minnie, it's okay. Jump, baby. My sweet little mini monster just tried to jump up on the couch and she didn't do it. She's so sweet. Let's take a look at her. Okay, so where was I? So my craft room is still set up as a guest room because when we were out of town, my mom stayed and watched the dogs. So she needed to stay in the room after the holiday too. And we left on January 2nd. So I've had no time to get back in there and straighten it up, or actually I haven't felt really up to doing that. But today we are going, and so much is happening in 2020. We are actually moving into a beautiful new home next month, February. So we are going to get all new craft tables and redesign my craft room for just better efficiency, better storage. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know if we're going to go to the store and buy tables today, but I am really anxious to make a brand new wreath and hang it on my door here at the home we're in now. And I will keep you posted on what I'm making and my New Year's resolution. And I don't make resolutions. I just like to make lifestyle changes. But this year, I'm going to be doing more lives. So I'm going to channel my inner Trish. You know who you are. And I'm going to try to be better and more diligent about my lives this year and to really grow my wreath home decor business. That being said, I have to have a craft room in order to do it. So I've been seeing some she sheds that you gals have been getting, and I am so excited for y'all. We're here in Las Vegas, and not really anyone has a she shed. So the home that we're moving into is actually a 4-bedroom home. We're moving into a larger home, which is great because now I'm going to be able to have a designated craft room, a designated guest room, a designated room for my hubby and his crafts. Well, he's a gun connoisseur, so his room and all of our editing software and things like that in his room. So we'll have a room for everything. And I'm excited to share that with you as we get closer to February. And let's see, what else do I want to say? I just want to say welcome 2020, and I can't wait to see your bright, shiny faces on my live. I love how we support each other, and I'm just excited to get things rolling. So let me try to find some spots to put this stuff away and get a game plan for 2020. So I will be back real soon. Thanks you guys for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified when I upload my video. Don't want to miss it. So many fun things are coming for 2020. I am excited. Let's do it 2020. Bye.